Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice Peng。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month, the phrase is really 真的假的，真的吗？都是一样的道理，对不对？那客语怎么说？
有样么？
有样么 ？OK， 通常很惊讶的时候，就要更惊讶的那个口气了。有样么？对不对？比如说什么会让人家很惊讶？比如说我结婚了，
有样么？
更惊讶，对不对？
对，
骗人的吧，对不对？How about a situation when you hear that someone gets married, like myself, for instance, and it might be very surprising, so you would ask, really? OK, 我们就来教教大家怎么说我要结婚了。
我要结婚了。
我要结婚了。OK, 结婚就是结婚 That means getting married.
那海陆腔的结婚，结婚。
结婚
结了就婚了。
That's a different dialect for getting married, and it does sound like, yes, you know, you're a little dizzy after you get married, and aren't we all? OK, 好，听到这句话 again, 尤其是朋友之中你没有期待说真的会结婚的话，你就会真的假的，然后恭喜你 right? So really? Congratulations. How do you say that?
有样么？
有样么？
恭喜。
恭喜，对，恭喜 That's congratulations. We say that when it's New Year, when it's someone's wedding, and someone, you know, with good news. 恭喜，恭喜 Congratulations. 那这个时候啊，就要我们所谓的炸弹要丢过去了，
对，才会知道是真的要结婚。
对，为什么要跟你讲？有是他的目的在哈。下周寄喜帖给你 ，I'm gonna send you my wedding invitation to you.
下礼拜。
下禮拜
寄結婚嘅帖嘅，
寄結婚嘅帖嘅，本就是分給你那種感覺了哈。
下禮拜寄結婚嘅帖嘅本。
All right, so that whole phrase again means next week I will send you the wedding invitation. 好，我們來 review 這些生字，譬如說結婚。
結婚
Okay, that's a wedding or getting married. 恭喜 congratulations.
恭喜
And don't forget, there's that wedding invitation. 也就是喜帖。
結婚嘅帖嘅。
結婚嘅帖嘅 Okay, that's a wedding invitation. All right, it's all about really 真的假的嗎？
有樣麼？
有樣麼 Now you know how to say it when someone's getting married and also congratulate him or her, okay? That does today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只係張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.